Oh,
in
here's one
Gaelic.
thing that's interesting about learning more than one language. When you learn another language or approach another language that's influenced by two languages that you speak, it's like, so because I have Welsh and French, when
Mhm.
I listen to a Breton speaker, my head's like bouncing back. I can't, it drives me mad. I can't digest. I keep trying to, because your mind thinks in different layers according to what language you've learned. So, for instance, when you approach a new language, you automatically delve into a language or culture that you have before. So, when I began learning Hebrew, it was so fascinating because it was so different from English or French that my mind was keeping at it, trying to go back to Welsh.
Mhm.
And which is interesting that in Hebrew, a lot of the preposition forms and that we have some things in Welsh that are in Hebrew.
Yeah, I remember seeing a video. This is a couple of years ago by LangFocus.
Oh, he's good.
Um, yeah, and I'll put a little video up in the corner if you want to go watch it. Like the kind of weird similarities between the Celtic languages and Semitic languages, and that's always really cool to see. And in the different languages and stages of languages that I've been learning, I kind of experience that too, where whatever I'm studying, my mind, instead of going to English, usually goes to the language I studied previously in order to pick up, uh,
Yeah.
like, in order to fill in the gap. So when I was learning Spanish, it was like, what am I trying to fill it in with? Hebrew. Learn Japanese, trying to fill it in, or Gaelic, trying to fill it in with, and then the Spanish word would pop into my head. And so